Need to find and replace words and file names without uploading them. Contracts, reports, invoices, customer information, and other sensitive documents shouldn't always be uploaded to the cloud. With Ninetu File Batcher, all processing happens locally on your computer. Your files never leave your device. We have roughly 60 contract files to update. We'll replace the date, company name, and version number in every file name. Let's take a look at the values we need to modify. Launch Ninetu File Batcher. In the left menu, click File Name, find and replace keywords in file names. Add multiple files or import a folder. Select the contracts you want to edit and click Next. Enter the date, company name, and version number in the Find field and the new value in the Replace field. Adjust the processing settings as needed, then click Next. Choose an output folder, click Next, and start processing. You'll see the files begin processing right away. Just wait for the operation to finish. Wait for processing to finish. Review counts for successes, skipped, failed, total time, and processing log. We can click the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the log for review. Open the sample file to confirm that the date, company name, and version number have been replaced. Use the before or after comparison to confirm accuracy. On the home page, here are some tips for using the tools. The My Favorites area on the right lets you pin frequently used tools, while the left panel displays your top 5 most tools. Now we are trying to add some commonly used tools. Add your commonly used tools to My Favorites so you can find them quickly next time. Click the icon at the top right of the feature page to view the usage guide. If you run into any problems, open Support from the menu and click New Support Request. Enter a short subject and a detailed description of the issue, and attach screenshots if possible to help us diagnose the problem. You can also provide us with the processing log you just copied. When you've filled everything out, click Submit. We'll review your request promptly and work to resolve the issue so it won't affect your normal use. Stop wasting hours on repetitive file updates. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can batch edit hundreds of files in minutes while keeping your data completely private. No cloud uploads. No data exposure. Work faster, stay secure, and get started today.